Student, today we are going to learn what is a variation of the gravity with altitude. It's going to be the height. Okay, so imagine one satellite is there on the earth. Okay, it is some height. So it is some height. We know on the surface acceleration due to gravity is a 9.8. Now our question is, it is at some height, what is a gravity? Actually, gravitation at some height is equal to g times of 1 minus 2 h divided by r. This what will get the equation. Today we are going to learn how to derive this equation. Okay, so gh is the gravitation at some height. Imagine one satellite, it's some height from the ground. Okay, now g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the height of the satellite, r is the radius of the earth. Okay, this is the equation we are going to learn how to derive. Okay, the first thing we'll see one satellite or some object on the surface of the earth. F is equal to, according to universal law of gravitation, g times of m1 mass of the earth, m2 we will take it mass of the satellite, so mass of the satellite divided by radius of the earth square. It's same universal law of gravitation. F is equal to g times of m1 m2 divided by d square, same formula only, but I modified according to the situation. It is some object on the surface. Okay, it will be very less value only, radius of this particular substance, it will be very less only. So I am taken that radius will be negligible. Okay, so I consider only the earth radius. Okay, even one apple is there, apple radius will be negligible compared to the earth radius because it's 6400 kilometers, it's very high. Okay, I am taken, instead of taking d, I am taken as a r. So now force is equal to weight here. Weight is equal to mass into gravity. Here mass, we are going to talk about the satellite or apple mass. It's small mass, this mass only. So we are talking about the satellite. So mass of the satellite into gravity is equal to g times of mass of the earth, mass of the satellite divided by radius of the earth square. So mass of the satellite get cancelled. Okay, so this is the situation we consider on the surface of the earth. Okay, so small g is equal to capital G mass of the earth divided by radius of the earth square. This what we will get as a equation 1. Okay, I am taken this as a 1. Our question is, what is a gravitation at some height? So gravitation at some height, it's a question mark. Okay, gravitation some height. So this is the point I want. Okay, from the center it is r, this distance is r, this distance is h. Totally the satellite distance r plus h. That is the place we want. Same equation, g mass of the earth divided by its orbital radius plus height, earth radius plus height whole square. The same equation we are taken distance as r plus h. It is on the surface, it is some height. It's equation 1 and it is equation number 2. Okay, if you understand this two equation, easily you can solve that particular equation. Just I am going to do with 2 divided by 1. Equation 2 divided by 1. You can do 1 divided by 2 also, but you will get opposite value. GH is equal to g times of ME divided by R plus H whole square divided by G ME divided by R square. I am cancelling common terms. Here common term g mass of the earth. So denominator directly will go into the numerator. So r square divided by r plus h whole square is equal to gh divided by g. Okay, so now what I am doing, numerator I am bringing as a denominator. Okay, you can do that. Numerator directly you can bring as a denominator. So in this place you can take it as a 1. So gravity at height divided by gravity, this value 9.8, this is a value we are finding, 1 divided by r plus h divided by r. This also whole square, this also whole square. So you can make it as a whole together as a whole square. 1 divided by r is common for this value. So r by r plus h divided by r whole square. So r is common for both the value and you can take it as a whole square. R get cancelled, 1 you will get. So 1 divided by 1 plus h divided by r square gh divided by g. Now what I am going to do now, it's very simple. So gh divided by g is equal to, denominator is there, I am taken from denominator to numerator, plus 2 it's going to change as a minus 2. I'll repeat again, denominator term I am taken as a numerator, plus 2 is going to change as a minus 2. So 1 plus h divided by r plus 2 is become as a minus 2. So we want gh, g you can bring it here, gh is equal to g times of 1 plus h divided by r, it's minus 2. We know exponential equation 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx. It's going to be continue on, okay, but next value will be negligible. We are going to take it only this 2 value. So finally we will get gravitation at some height. So it's going to be gh at some height is equal to g times of 1 minus 2h divided by r. G is gravitation at some height, g is a gravity, h is the height, r is the radius of the earth. Okay, see this equation, 1 plus x power n, it's going to be 1 plus nx also we can write. Here n will be minus 2, x will be h by r. Okay, finally we got this equation. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, this is a gravitation at some height. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe.